Figured I would do a tutorial on a guitar speed drawing, and so you would go like this, and there's the neck, and 3, and you would make a curve, and you would follow that line, and then you just follow the line, and this is obviously pretty rough considering that I am actually uh, yeah, I probably moved the camera a little bit too much there, but this is like a rough representation of a guitar based off Picasso's work. It's actually this is a pretty crappy drawing because I'm holding the camera, but I can actually do pretty much anything, but I can do things a lot better. Anyways.